Hi everyone. In this video we will resolve another LeetCode problem using Pandas and Polars. So we have the description here. You can pause the video to read it carefully. Also we have here our output format. So let's begin. We import our libraries and let's copy the data frame. So we have it here. Copy. All right. Let's look into the data frame. Here it is. So first of all, we should filter the dates. So we can do it easily using query. We can just hard code the starting date if it's easy to count, like in this case for 30 days. So we do query. We have activity date. Oops. Should be lower equal to and it begins on 2019 06/27, so just greater than 27th of June 2019. And we have yes, here it is. Now let's write it like in this way. Now we will group by activity date, and we will take our user ID and count unique user IDs. So, and unique. Let's look. Okay, so the result is good. Now let's format it in the right way. We do reset index. All right. The column user ID should be active users. I can just copy it, rename it here, and in place of activity date, we need just day. So I can do rename columns, and our activity date will be day. All right. Here it is. Okay, it's great. This is Pandas. Someone will say, okay, in this case, we have just 30 days between our starting and ending date, so it's easy to count and to hard code it here. So in case if it's something like 253 days, it will be harder to find out the starting date. So we will do another Pandas solution for this case, just slightly modified version. We will take our end date. It will be Pandas to date time. It's our date here. All right. And the start date will be end date minus Pandas date set. And you do 29 days because this, if you do 30 days, it will be like the first day included, and we don't need it. So in our case, it's like this. Let's look which date is this. Okay, so it's 28th of June. And we can take all this code. It's almost the same. Just in place of our query, we will do activity date should be between our start date and end date. All right. Let's check this. Okay, so it's the same result. This is the second Pandas solution. And now we'll resolve it using polars with the same logic as our second Pandas solution. First of all, we will convert our data frame into into a polars lazy frame. Like this. Okay, this is polars. Now we do end date, the same as before. This will be polars date time, and it's 2019 July 27, and start date will be the end date time offset by minus 29 days. Okay. Then we take activity, filter. We take the column activity date, and this should be is between, and again start date and end date. Okay. All this we should group by activity date as before. Aggregate our user ID column, and we count the unique user IDs and unique, and we rename it to active users. All right. Let's just take a look here. We do collect, transform it to a normal eager frame. All right, it seems good. We need just our activity date to be day, to be named as day. So we do rename, and we can just take this stuff from here. Okay, and let's convert it to Pandas data frame. Great. So we have the same result using polars. Let's put it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.